In this video, I'll show you how to personalize your Android lock screen, from changing the clock style and color to adjusting notifications and adding widgets. To begin, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll through the settings until you find Wallpaper and Style, then tap to open it. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also press and hold on an empty area of your home screen and choose Wallpaper and Style from the menu. This is where all of your wallpaper and lock screen customization options are located. Once you're inside the Wallpaper and Style menu, you'll see previews of both your home screen and your lock screen. Tap on the lock screen preview to launch the customization editor. This editor gives you a live preview of every change you make, so you can instantly see how your lock screen will look before saving it. As soon as the editor opens, you'll notice that the clock is selected automatically. Around the clock you'll see adjustment handles, indicating that it can be customized. At the bottom of the screen, Android presents a collection of different clock styles to choose from. If you prefer a traditional digital clock, you'll find several fonts and layouts available. Some are bold and modern, while others have a cleaner, more minimal appearance. If you prefer something classic, you can also switch to an analog clock with hour and minute hands. Simply tap any design to preview it instantly, and browse through the available options until you find one that matches your personal style. After selecting your preferred clock, you aren't limited to its default position. Touch and hold the clock, then drag it around the screen to place it wherever it looks best with your wallpaper. If you'd like to make it larger or smaller, use the handles around the clock to resize it. This gives you complete control over both the position and the size of the clock, allowing you to create a balanced layout that suits your wallpaper and leaves space for other lock screen elements. The next customization option lets you change the clock's color. Along the bottom of the editor you'll see several color choices. By default, Android intelligently selects a color that complements your wallpaper, creating a clean and cohesive appearance. However, if you'd like a different look, simply tap any of the available colors to preview the change instantly. Whether you want something subtle or something that stands out, you can choose the color that best matches your style while ensuring the clock remains easy to read. Below the clock area, you'll also have the opportunity to display useful widgets and information. Depending on your device and Android version, you can choose to show items such as the weather, calendar appointments, reminders, or other helpful information directly on your lock screen. These widgets make important details available at a glance, reducing the need to unlock your phone every time you want to check something. Once you're happy with your customizations, simply tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. Your new settings will be applied immediately. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.